Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here then hello, hi, my name is Amy. Welcome to an exciting video. So for today's video guys, it is like an unboxing and also a pack with me because I have got a really big shoot tomorrow. Excuse the state of me by the way, I look ratchet. I've got a really big shoot tomorrow, so I need to pack my bag. A sneak peek of the bag there. I just wanted to show you the box. So of course this was gifted to me from coeebags. You guys know I love them so much and we work together on quite a lot of things now, and this is just something I had actually requested this since, no joke, I think October last year or maybe even earlier on in the year, and I have only just got my hands on it, so I'm so grateful to them. Honestly, I love them so much. So first of all, it comes in this massive box, and then inside we have got, of course, you've of course got your big dust bag to keep the bag in. So if you hadn't already guessed from what you just saw, it is the duffel bag, the LV duffel bag. I am obsessed with it. You've also got a little one for all of the straps and everything like that. Then you've of course got your receipts, your wallets, all the little verification cards and everything like that that comes inside. And then if you wanted it, say you was giving this as a gift or something, you do get the big carrier bag and of course a ribbon as well. So they'll be really nice, especially if you do like to display your bags and boxes and stuff like that. That's a really nice like extra touch that they do. But yeah, the quality of the bag is insane. Just everything about the bag is unreal. I have wanted it for so long and I'm so happy that I finally got it. I will show you it. So this is it, obviously empty, but I went for the 50. I went for the size 50 in the duffel bag. I did nearly go for the 55 and then I thought it might look a bit too big on my frame, so I changed it and went for the 50. So obviously it looks a little bit empty at the moment, but we are going to fill it. So you obviously get your bag, you get your name tag strap, you get the over the shoulder strap, and you also do get your little padlock, and then this little bit here that I probably won't use unless I'm going away. This goes around the two handles to kind of secure them together. So you literally get everything. This bag is honestly so sturdy, so lovely. I am obsessed with it. So the attention to detail, this is just next to none, girls. It's not even going to focus, but on these little bits here it does have Louis Vuitton. You've got it on the side here. You have the size of the bag. If it focuses, the size of the bag is just imprinted on the side there. Then you've got the engravings, Louis Vuitton on all of the straps. We'll do a close-up detailing and just quickly show you. So there you've got it all engraved. Here you've got the sizing, you've got the engraving on there, got it on the name tag here, and each of these little tiny kind of studs all have it on as well. And then obviously on your inside, wow, my focus is awful. So you've got the inside pocket here as well, and again you've got the Louis Vuitton detail. Oh, I haven't taken the package. Everything is nice and packaged as well, so it doesn't get marked, but I need to take that one off. But yeah, nice and spacious. I am going to fill this up. Even the little keyring in here has got, literally everything is packaged nice and just lovely, and I'm obsessed. And it's her first, so it is her first outing tomorrow. So I've got a shoot, so pack with me. Now I have been sent a list of things that I need to, okay, so I just gathered some stuff and I got the list that I need. So black trainers, white cream trainers, clear heels, black heels, small black handbag, white handbag, and bright coloured bags. And then So, right, first things first, trainers in. So we're going for some trusty Jordans, which I've actually got. They can go in the bag here. It's be interesting to see how much I can actually fit in this bag as well. Jordans, then my gorgeous new Chanel's, which I'm actually obsessed with. Stay tuned for an unboxing on these bad boys. Absolutely love them. So they are going in the bag as well. So they are my two trainers. Then I have been requested this white bag. This is so tatty, but in it goes. So white bag, black bag. I do have another black bag, and I also do have my Chanel, but I feel like that is going to be a bit, I just feel like that's a bit too big. I think this one can be cute because it can be a crossbody, or I've got a mark on it. It could be a crossbody or like take the strap off. So that for my little black bag. Seat heels. I need to pack my underwear, but I am going to pack that tomorrow. So far so good. Still lots of room in here. So I need to see what else. So I'm going to take my other little mini nano speedy LV, but I am also going to take my circular. I need some clear heels which live under my bed. Let's hope that they are actually still there. They should be. Yes, so trusty clear heels. All my spare shoes that I don't really wear a lot go under the bed. Just saves room for storage. So clear heels in the bag. I feel like that's it. So bearing in mind this bag has now got 2 pairs of heels, 3 handbags, and 2 pairs of trainers in, and there is still room in here. It's doing very well. The only thing I need to really pack now is underwear, like different coloured bras and like a strapless bra if needed, and then I'll probably just take my makeup with me for touch-ups, take my hair curler for touch-ups, and that is pretty much it. So yeah, that was my little unboxing and pack with me for my new bag. Absolutely obsessed with this. Cannot recommend coeebags enough, honestly. Their service from start to finish is 10 out of 10. I actually have a lot of you guys message me on Instagram saying like, are they good quality, can I trust them? The answer is yes. Like, I know there's so many people on Instagram that do all the replicas and stuff, but honestly I've heard of so many scams, it's ridiculous. Like, not even that long ago my friend Pia posted one, and she'd like recommended it to people, and it was actually a scam. So like, she was scammed herself. So yeah, if you do want a trusted person, I can literally vouch for. I've been working with them for years now. Then coeebags are the people you want to be in touch with. I will leave all of their details down below. But yeah, thank you so much to coeebags for kindly gifting me this gorgeous bag. I finally got my hands on it. I've only been begging them for about a year now. So yeah, thank you so much, and I will see you all in my next video. If you are new here, then please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, and I'll see you all very soon for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.